Don't scroll. I want to share my new project with you, a project that could benefit us both. I'm looking for anyone this resonates with to sign up for my newsletter at crypticwonders.com. Feeling stuck in the same old loop? Trapped, wishing for a way out? Meet Norm, a character who's hit rock bottom, just like so many of us have at some point. But what if the universe has a way out? For him, and maybe for you too. Welcome to Transmission 108. This isn't just a story. It's an 11-week adventure into daily inspiration, wisdom, and creativity. Every day, you'll receive a new transmission, a visual piece of Norm's journey to spark your imagination, a dose of legendary empowerment to give you Chuck Norris levels of encouragement, a piece of time, space, manifestation, and personal mastery to reflect upon, a piece of everyday practical wisdom for life's daily challenges. These powerful insights, designed and curated to help you shift your mindset, come with a daily random and eccentric movie recommendation to keep your momentum alive. One spark of inspiration, one step forward every single day. This is my most ambitious project yet, a long-form AI collaboration movie brought to life one transmission at a time, evolving into even bigger surprises down the road. But it's more than just Norm's transformation. It's an invitation for you to unlock your own creativity, wisdom, and resilience. And here's the best part. You'll be part of the process, watching as this story comes to life while building your own foundation for transformation. Don't miss this chance to be inspired. Sign up for Transmission 108 today at crypticwonders.com and get daily sparks delivered straight to your inbox. The journey starts now. That is crypticwonders.com. Your wormhole is waiting.